Have you ever wondered how unsupervised classification works in image processing? Unsupervised classification is a fascinating process that clusters multiband images without human intervention. It's a journey of discovery that uncovers spectral classes or clusters within these images. To begin with, this process involves generating clusters. This is an autonomous action, grouping pixels with similar spectral characteristics together. Imagine a sea of pixels, each with its own unique spectral signature. The unsupervised classification process dives into this sea and groups together those pixels that share similar characteristics, creating islands of similarity in a vast ocean of data. Next comes the manual classification. It's here that each group of pixels gets assigned a land cover category. Each cluster is given an identity, a label that best describes its characteristics. Now, let us delve a bit deeper into the techniques used in unsupervised classification. The iterative self-organizing data analysis technique, or ISAData, is one such method. ISAData calculates class means evenly distributed in the data space, then iteratively clusters the remaining pixels using minimum distance techniques. It's like a shepherd, constantly herding and reherding its flock until all the sheep are grouped just right. This process continues until the number of pixels in each class changes by less than the selected pixel change threshold or the maximum number of iterations is reached. Let's shift gears and talk about another technique. K-means clustering. Originating from signal processing, K-means clustering aims to partition observations into clusters. Each observation belongs to the cluster with the nearest mean, serving as a prototype of the cluster. It's akin to organizing a library of books where each book belongs to the section that best represents its content. It's important to note that K means clustering minimizes within cluster variances, but not regular Euclidean distances. For minimizing Euclidean distances, other methods like K-medians and K-midoids are more suitable. In summary, unsupervised classification is a two-step process involving the generation of clusters and manual classification. Techniques like ISAData and K-means clustering are used to create these clusters and assign them appropriate classifications. It's a fascinating process that turns a sea of pixels into a meaningful image, a process that takes the chaos of data and brings order to it, all without human intervention.